This TirTir Mask Fit Cushion Waterproof Setting Spray, and not only that, the Glide and Hide Concealer has been all over TikTok. But I wanted to see how it actually works on textured skin. With no filters, no hype. Let's see if these babies really work. I'm going to start off with the Mask Fit Cushion. I am using number 40 in Cinnamon. I'm going to see if this really works against my skin. So let's go ahead and start opening, shall we? So this is the beautiful red cushion, and you'll press this open here when you do receive yours. So they have a mirror compact inside, and then they have a little cushion inside, and then you're going to open on that side, and we're gonna okay, all right, come on, get on out, come on. Okay, so this is my TirTir little mask. So we're gonna see if this really works. Okay, maybe I put too much on. Wait. Oh, wait a minute. What y'all think? It might be too light, right? Is it too light? I don't know. They just been... Oh, maybe I need to just keep playing with it. Is it a little too light, guys, for my skin? I'm going underneath the eye a little bit. I think this is a little too light. Dang it. Okay, I love the texture of the cushion. I love the smoothness. It's not hard. It's not rough or anything. I mean, it glides right onto the skin. I do love that. I think I just had to get used to it. This might be a little light for me, or it might be okay, but I think it's, I don't know, it matched my, I don't know. But I probably have to mix a little concealer that's the darker tone to blend in with this, but it's not bad at all. It's not bad. I like it. I would give it a 8 out of 10 so far for the cushion. I love that the compact. Oh, but it do like covers like the pores that you might have in your face. It actually, I love it. You guys, look. I do like it now. I just had to get used to it. I like it. I love the mirror too. But I like it. I think this is a good foundation. So, let's see. I have a little spot there if you guys see because I wear my glasses. So, I'm just going to see that if it covers that for me. Okay, I like it. It's really lightweight. Okay, I'm just going to get used to it. Yes. I believe this is a winner. It's an 8, but still an 8. I'm still trying to get into it. So this one is the Cinnamon 40N for the red cushion. So that is for that color. Now, this is TirTir. This is the Guide and Hide Concealer. I'm using 7.5W. It's been on my For You page. I said, you know what? I'm going to try it. So, oh, it's big. It's really big. I really like that. Okay, so I know it's 2 sides. So they have the concealer type, and then they have the lipstick. So we're going to try one on each side. So we're going to do the lipstick on this side. And then we're going to do the concealer on the opposite side. Okay. And I got to find the cushion again. I have my cushion. So I'm going to do the side here with the lipstick. Okay. I like the lipstick. It do covers. Okay. And then we have the regular concealer here. Go back and forth. Oh. Oh, I'm lost. Okay, so I love that the coverage. It's like the concealer covers a little bit more, and the lipstick it covers, but you still see like the line in there. But with the regular concealer, like it actually just covers everything. So I definitely love. I really like the lipstick too. So I just probably had to blend the lipstick and the regular concealer both together. But I love how it glides on. It's not heavy like regular concealer, and it's not thick. I mean, it's really lightweight and it just glides on. That's why they call it a glide and hide. But I love the concealer on this side more. I love it. Let's go to the next one. Okay, we have the waterproof setting spray. Oh, let me make sure nobody get in these. Ooh, this is a nice bottle, by the way. So I'm gonna shake it up really good. So this is the setting spray testing. All right, we're gonna see. I love the mist. It's not wet. You know how most of when you spray, you be scared like it's gonna, but it's actually kind of like air, and you feel a little mist come out, and I love it. It smell like I want to say coconut, but it don't smell like coconut. But it don't have a distinct smell or anything. It's really nice. It's really mild. Um, oh yeah, because it's not even. Oh yes, I think this gonna be my everyday setting spray. I'm definitely going to probably buy me some more. I love that it's not wet because mostly the setting sprays that I did buy, they are wet like, and this one's kind of like it's like air. Then you feel a little bit mist, so it's really lightweight on your face. So I mean, I can't lie to y'all. I love it. Oh my, y'all look, no makeup. I have the concealer and the foundation, the cushion. I this you know what changed the 8. We're gonna go to a 10. But you know the cushion. I think I gotta get used to the cushion. It's a little bit light. I just add a little concealer to it. But this I give this a 12 out of 10. No makeup came off. So if you wear masks and you know most of the time you be having stuff all like makeup in your face mask. But baby, no makeup came on here. I did like this, did like this. Usually you see a whole, oh my gosh. Yes, 10 out of 10. Concealer, 10 out of 10. The cushion, I said an 8, but I'm going to give you a 10 because it went on smooth. It wasn't harsh. It looked like I just have my skin. I can't complain. TirTir, you guys did this. Everybody, I see why everybody's been raving about it. I love it. They have a 24% off on TikTok. You guys better go because this spray was $15. It is $11.47. And this concealer was $15. Now it's like $12. And I think this was like 25. I think it's like $17 now. So you guys better go run to TikTok and get this. So once again, the color I have for the cushion foundation, it is cinnamon 40N. If you want to know about the glide and hide concealer, it's number 7.5W, and it's kind of like a medium color. I don't know, but I just saw a lot of people doing reviews, and I was matching skin tones. I said I'm gonna try it, and they have 2 setting sprays, but I have the one with the rose water light pink. They do have a deep red, and this is on sale as well. Uh, this is the best, hands down. I cannot. Transformation, comment down below which one was your favorite. Was it the setting spray, the mask red fit cushion, or the glide and hide concealer? Which one was your favorite? Please comment down below and let me know if you're going to try it, and also send me pictures. And you guys, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this of me trying out new makeup products and makeup hacks. So hype this video up if you want to see more, and let's get up to 200 views, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And don't forget to watch my other content here, or is it here? I'll see you guys in the next one.